Welcome to the YouTube channel of Pratham Test Prep. I hope all of you are doing good and also working hard for your pre-boards and boards. We will also have to consider that different universities have started giving the entrance exam dates. If you talk about law, CLAT has given the date of 13th June 2021 for their entrance exams, and for Delhi NLU, which is the ALET exam, the exam is on 20th June 2021. So we will not be having much time to prepare for the entrance exams. Also, if you talk about Christ University, they have given two dates for their entrance exam. One is in the month of March. Another one is you can choose in the month of June. Now, if you talk about IIM Indore as well, they have given the date of 14th June for their entrance exam. As of now, the forms is not out yet, but they have given the date for their entrance exams. We are also expecting the other university will start sharing their entrance exam dates soon. They might keep in the month of June. Most of the exam are expected in the month of June or July, and few can keep before the before your boards exams. So likewise, the Christ University has given the date of March, date in the month of March for the entrance exams. Other private university are also expected to give their dates, examination dates before the boards exams. So we people recommend all the students to start prepare yourself for entrance exams as well, so that you do good in entrance exam too. So the reason why we are creating this video, we people help our students in filling up the form for different university. This video we have shoot to help you in filling up the form for BML Munjal. I hope all of you guys can see this window. So what we're gonna do in this video, we'll talk about the university, how's the university, whether we should apply there or not. Their application date I'll discuss. The application start date was 5th Jan 2021. The last date of application date is not announced yet. Application fees for one form is 1500 rupees, which is 1500 INR. If you wanted to fill two forms or multiple forms, you will have to pay 1500 rupees for each form. Interview. BML Munjal also takes the SAT score. If you guys have also already appeared for SAT score, they also consider the SAT score for their entrance exams. Fifth thing is process of filling up the forms. As I've already told you, I will be filling up a form in front of you guys. I'll be filling a live form in front of you guys, so that you guys don't make any mistake in filling up the form. Now I'll be talking about the courses offered in BML Munjal. If you guys can see the window, BBA specialization courses they have in family business and entrepreneurship. They have business analytics option. They have digital marketing, BBA specialization. These options specialization offered in BBA. Now for law they have BA LLB program, and for BBA LLB program is also available in BML Munjal. They also offer BA Eco Honors. They have BCom Honors program and BTech for the science graduate science student. Now I will show you how to fill up that form for BML Munjal. If you guys are enrolled with Pratham, joined Pratham for their entrance exam preparation, you guys can see this window. You guys will be able to see this window in your forms update section in your Pratham account. For each examination or each form which is out, we'll be giving you the information in this particular way. If you guys can see, we have given you the eligibility criteria as well, the specialization course. We have given you the selection process information, online date, last date and all. You need to click on form link. It will take you to the registration page. Click on that option. Now we have got the registration page for BML Munjal. Let's fill it. Put your first name and the last name. Choose your program you're applying for. So supposingly I want to fill for law program. I'll click law. Put your mobile number here. Mention your email ID. Mention your password. And click on get OTP. Once you click on get OTP, you will get a OTP in your registered mobile number, and you need to punch in the same OTP and then click on get started. So once you punch in the OTP in the registration page, you will get this particular page where you need to punch in the other information. Your email ID is already mentioned here, and the application ID is given by BML Munjal. You need to click on save and continue. Now, there are choices which option you want. I have chosen the program for law. You can give your preference whether you want to go for BALLB or BBLLB. I give my preference and click on save and continue. Here we need to punch in our basic information. Name and last name is already mentioned. It mention your mobile number. I have already filled this information. You can see. I'll just tell you what all things we have. We have date of birth option. We have gender. Our email ID is already mentioned. We need to upload a passport size photograph here, which should be a less than 100 KB. We need to choose a nationality. We need to choose a category. Category option we have general, OBC, SC, and ST. We need to punch in our blood group. Person with disability can mention yes or no, language known, or if you have any health issues. And if you have a Haryana domicile, you can mention yes or no. If you have a Haryana domicile there, you might get some preference in the university. Now, here we need to punch in our current address, your country, your state, your city, PIN code, and your proper address. And your address is same, so you can punch in this option. It will save in your permanent address option. Just if you should see the below option, you have you need to punch in your parents information. You need to mention your father name, name of your guardian, your father, relationship with the person you're mentioning, the email ID, mobile number, nationality, their higher level of education, organization name where working, and their occupation, also their designation as well. This designation is not important. You can keep that blank because star is not marked here. If you want, you can punch in here. If you don't want, you can leave it. Click on save and continue. Once you click on save and continue, it will take you to the payment option, which says that form cost is 1500 rupees. We options are online demand draft, check, and NEFT option. If I click on online option and pay 1500, it will take us to the payment gateway. So we need to punch in the debit card, credit card number, expiry date is there, CVV number is there, and click on pay now. So once you make the payment, the form doesn't end here. You will have to see the other information. There's academic qualification to mention. After making the payment, you need to mention your 10th and 12th 10th and 11th marks. Also in miscellaneous, you need to punch in your basic information. So this is how we fill up the form for BML Munjal. So this is how we fill up the form for BML Munjal. That was not a difficult process. That's a very easy thing. But still, if you guys face any problem, any issue in filling up the form, you guys can contact us on the contact numbers mentioned. For every region, we have different center managers available and the service managers. You can contact us for any support. So thank you for now. God bless.